In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget plan with Grok AI. Easy setup 26. First, open your browser and head over to grok.com. We'll be using the built-in chat interface to build a clear, structured budget in just a few minutes. The layout may vary slightly, but you're mainly looking for the chat window where you can type your requests. If you have an account, go ahead and log in. This isn't strictly required, but it's helpful because it saves your conversation history and lets you come back to your budget later without starting from scratch. If you prefer to proceed as a guest, you can still follow along. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat front and center. At the bottom is the message box where you'll type your instructions. Think of this like talking to a helpful assistant. Clear inputs lead to better outputs. Just below the chat bar you may see a deep search option. This is optional, but turning it on can improve results when you want current, external context, like typical utility costs in your area, or updated interest rates for debt payoff strategies. If you already know your numbers and don't need web-sourced context, you can leave it off. You may also see auto, fast, or expert response modes. Fast gives you a quick outline, expert provides a deeper, more detailed plan, and auto chooses for you based on your prompt. For budgeting, expert is great if you want reasoning and step-by-step allocation. Fast works well for a simple snapshot. Now let's create your budget plan. In the chat box, type a clear request and specify the time frame: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. The more details you provide, the better the plan. For example, you can write, create a monthly budget plan. Net income, your amount. Fixed expenses, rent amount, utilities amount, internet amount. Variable expenses, groceries, transportation, dining out. Savings goal, a percentage or amount. Debts, type and payment. Currency, your currency. Include recommended percentages and a simple summary. Feel free to add priorities like building an emergency fund or paying down the highest interest debt first. Grok will generate your budget plan based on what you've entered. You'll typically see income, allocations by category, recommended percentages, and suggestions for savings and debt payoff. Review the numbers and ask Grok to adjust anything that doesn't fit. Maybe increase groceries, lower dining out, or split savings between an emergency fund and a travel fund. You can also ask for a weekly breakdown of the same plan, a bare-bones version for tight months, or a version that includes sinking funds for irregular costs. When you're happy, copy the plan into your notes or spreadsheet so you can track your progress over time. That's it. Simple, fast, and tailored to your needs with Grok AI.